It's a beautiful morning today. The air is fresh, it's feeling warm. Feels like a great day to get a bunch of stuff done outside. But unfortunately, that's not what I'm gonna be doing today. Oh, what are we doing today? We're painting the truck. The big massive Julie's finally getting her much needed paint job. She's actually getting an entire facelift, so we're gonna go down to Eric's work and get her all painted up and looking beautiful. I'm really feeling in the mood for a donut or some chocolate, but I'm honestly too much of a cheapskate to stop at the gas station and buy it, so I will just have to make do. So let's get going and oh crap, how did I get my hair tangled? I better pick up another battery too, because it might be here a while. Hey, get away from my food. Alright, so we're here at Eric's work, and he doesn't know I'm here yet. He's busy painting a car, so let's sneak in and look at him real quick. This is awesome. It's like a periscope. I've always wanted to scare Eric at work, and on a Saturday morning when there's nobody here, that's the best time to scare him. Now the question is how? I could hide behind this curtain here. He also is working on the truck. See? I could hide in the bed of the pickup truck and jump out. I don't know. What should I do? Gotta think about this. Curtain. Give me the curtain. I do this at home too. Hide behind the curtain. Ugh. Dude, it is so gross and dirty back here. Now, unfortunately, when you scare somebody, it can really take a while to sit and hide. So I'm gonna wait for him to walk past this curtain, and I'm gonna reach out and grab him. Shoot. Someone else is here too. Dang it! You're not any fun! How did you see me behind the curtain? I get the fun job. You gonna let me paint? All work, no play. All work. Work. Yay! I'm gonna have some big biceps by the time I'm done with it. So the reason you have to scuff the paint is you're not cleaning the paint off, you're just roughing up the clear coat, which allows you to paint over top of it. So if you didn't do that, you'd pretty much just run right off the car, because that's what it's designed to do. So, awesome. I broke down and got one. Do I have to get all this black stuff off?
somebody repaired this before.
What do you mean? Oh, it's Bondo. So how much do you have to sand off?
I'm just feathering like scratches out.
Oh, you got
to re-slick it.
You got scratches?
I ground it down just to see what kind of mess they had going on there.
Oh. So you're not doing this to the whole thing?
Huh?
You're not doing this to the whole thing then?
No, just this is the only bad part of the truck.
Oh, okay. Alright, so my hands are probably going to be swollen like crazy because just from gripping everything. My hair is all wild. So it's a lot of work to paint a car. And when you pay to have your car painted, the money is not necessarily going towards paint, it's going towards labor. Case in point, all of this stupid stuff, this all had to be scrubbed with a scrubby. Takes forever. I don't even know how long it took me to do all 4 doors. Let me see. About an hour. So this stuff will be a breeze to do. And this is gonna be like wash, 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 wash. I don't know. I don't think they have a tool you can use to do that. Maybe for the larger areas he does. I don't know. All I know is that my muscles are like cramping up. He wants to get this whole thing done tonight. Eric's fixing the bad Bondo job that the previous person did to it. You're painting it out here?
Just a water-based primer.
Isn't it gonna get
really quick.
Isn't it get dust in it?
It's gotta get sanded.
Oh. Oh, this is just the primer? Can't even tell. It's the same color. But the real question is, what will the final color be? He's trying to figure out how he's gonna get this in the paint booth. Definitely a trick. I wonder if it'll fit. I guess be the one to crawl up on the roof and scuff the paint off.